create an assignment in Benchmark Universe, you're either going to click on the Assignments button on the home page or click on the drop-down menu and click the Assignments tab on the left. When you get here, you'll see which assignments you have. I don't currently have any, so I will click here, Add New Assignment. I'm going to type the assignment name, which this is going to be the Unit 1, Week 1 assessment. I'm going to click Add Materials. For my library, I'm going to click Benchmark Advanced 2018. I'm going to choose my grade level. I'm going to choose my unit, then my week. And here are all of my materials for Unit 1, Week 1. And I want the Unit 1, Week 1 assessment, so I'm going to take this and drag it and drop it over here. So now you can see my Unit 1, Week 1 assessment for grade 5 is in my box over here. Next, I'm going to type instructions. Please complete. Then I'm going to select my students, drop down, click My Class, Students. I want to select all. Then I'm going to click Done. My start date, you pick the date you want it to start and the date you want it to end, and then click Save. And this shows you that all of the students have been assigned the assignment and that they have not yet started it. And this is how you create an assignment in Benchmark Universe.